Hi, Petey. Who's sniffing at my back?
Who do you think?
Who's sniffing at my back? What are you doing? Don't bother your brother here. He doesn't like you. Hey, back up. Back up. You, back up. Back more. There you go. All right.
The prince over here.
And then this is the one that thinks she's mine. This is Addie. Right?
I like her.
Come on, girls. I get held up because so she chases the other ones away. Put this on. Here you go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Don't worry. Don't get you. Okay, go. All right, here you go.
This one?
No kicking.
Is this the one that kicks?
Ready? Who's chewing on the wood? All right, go away. You ready, Boston? She's gonna kick you? I don't think so. She's gonna have to kick. All right, that's the girls. Let's move it. Doctor. Now your boys. So first we're going to give Boomer his food. And we're going to put Furios out, but he can't have it because they'll just chase him away from it. So he's got to wait until I put buckets in to get his. One bucket has to go on. So let's see, here's Boomer. This one. Boomer. And then, oh, Furio's on the other side.
Get out of the way.
Hello, Petey. Yes, I got yours too. He'll kick the
Oh.
All right, boys. You're next. You're next. All right, everybody situated. We got Dallas. There's a center. Here. There's a Chauncey. All right, that's important. Put him over here. Chauncey might be the last bucket we pick up today. He's so slow. Link, Flint, Bear, and this one. Oh, I forgot to put some on.
Somebody getting soup?
I guess his wet, so I just give it a little extra water to make it come out easy in this bucket. Alright, boys. You know how I am. I gotta get everything ready. Can't start without being ready, right? There we go. Otis.
It's coming.
Artemis, Duke, and Peter Pan. I think that's it. Okay. Well, these guys are first. You know why? Because they take the longest teeth. Right?
Yeah, you're cute. Oh,
Everybody coming in? Okay, good. Yeah, we're batting 1,000, right? Keep coming, guys. Dallas. Okay, you're getting yours, don't worry. You're on the list. You're on the list, I can see it from here. All right, Dallas. Oh, look at you. Chauncey.
someone riding out there.
So that horse with the one eye right there, Link, Linky,
Who has one
that's
eye?
the one that kicked me. I gotta watch out for him.
Oh,
All right,
I think
here we go.
it's this brown one out here. I think he only has one eye.
Where's yours? There it is. Let's see if we can get this on you. Let's see if we can get this on. Come on over here. Come on over, please. Get your head up. Don't.
Got it?
Get up.
You.
Back up. This cookie. Get this stick right there. Back up. Back up. Okay. All right, now we're good. Lucas will probably be last. He stays way out. So if you don't want to take pictures, you can start walking for that tree. This is the stallion. Is it out? It's supposed to be out. So that's Jared. Right, Jared. Jared the stallion.
This guy?
Okay. I know. Walk down there and see if you can get him to follow you so that.
Follow me. Like I got treats or something. Come on. Don't look at her. Should have brought a carrot.
I know. Gotta be smarter than a fifth grader. Attaboy, get up. This one wears a bucket, one gets special food, and one gets regular food. So I'll start with him. End up putting her bucket in there.
Whoa.
Otherwise he'll steal her food if he wants it.
Oh, this guy's shaggy. He's like a woolly bear. What are you?
He's heavy.
Oh, you silky. You look like you got show sheen on.
There we go. One's the old family favorite, right? He goes on
Shaggy?
the hunts and everything with us.
Look at how much.
The little girl
Look.
is also the hunt master's horse.
There's a long-haired horse.
Max, come.
Yeah. Well, why is the fur on this one like extra long? Why is the fur extra long on this one? The mix with a poodle?
Come on, Fancy.
Oh, fancy with the bobtail? Guess that fence isn't on. That would have hurt like hell.
Oh, Jace.
Good luck. That bucket's attached to her head.
Make sure he doesn't take Fancy's food, but it's medicated. Come on, get over there and eat your own food. Let's move it.
Ooh!
There. Okay.